Hey, what's up, traders? Praise Mabs here. Welcome to my trading channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, today I just want to talk to you guys and show you my M15 strategy that you've probably been seeing on my social media platforms. And I just wanted to share it with you today so that you could have a better idea what it's about. And like it says in the name, it's a 15-minute strategy. It works on the 15-minute chart on MetaTrader 4. So you use this strategy to actually find opportunities in the market. So without actually wasting any time, let's just dive into this head first and let's just see what it is. Okay, so now what we're looking at right now is the guide that I provide when someone enrolls to the strategy training, and someone whoever is interested in the strategy, I give them this guide and it details everything accordingly. Okay, so let's just go through it before we go into the charts. I'm just gonna skip a lot of things. Okay, so now this is what you will need in order to make the strategy work. Okay, you're gonna need MetaTrader 4. You're gonna need to have MetaTrader 4 in order to have this working. You can use a candlestick chart with this. It's not really that important, but since the bulk of traders are using candlestick charts, I think that we should stick with the candlestick charts. Okay, and then you're gonna need the Fibonacci quantum indicator. I will leave the link in the description so that you can download that should you choose to get it. Okay, or you can get it directly from me, it's all good. And then you'll also need the 100 period simple moving average. Okay, so I'm going to show you what each of these components are. So let's just go down a bit. So yeah, so these are the buy rules. Okay, these are the rules that need to be present in order for you to actually open up a buy trade based on this 15-minute strategy. Okay, so number one, the price must be above the 100 period moving average. The candlesticks, they must be above the 100 period moving average, because that indicates to us that the price is bullish. So most likely the buys are going to be profitable in that particular point in time in the market. Okay, and then the second thing is the Fibonacci quantum custom indicator. It must tell you that it's a buy entry. Like, there must be a level that it reached. Okay, it must breach a certain level. You will see in just a bit that is a buy. Okay, so then now it must be above the 100 period moving average and the buy level must be triggered. Okay, and then the next thing is Fibonacci Quantum gives you a recommended stop loss. You can use that if you want to, and then it also gives you the recommended take profit levels. You can use that if you want to. All right, so here's an example of this in a picture form. Okay, so as you can see, let's just go over it. The price now for you to buy, let me just move this down a little bit. For you to buy, okay, it must be above this white line, which is a 100 period moving average. This indicates to you that this is a bullish market if the price is above the 100 period moving average. And as you can see, the buy entry is triggered there. You see the price went up, the candles went up, triggered that level. That indicated to you that this is the time that you need to buy this market. Okay, so then now all the conditions were met. Prices above the 100 period moving average, buy triggered, was hit, and then there you take the buy, and then you put your stop loss where it says buy stop loss. So that level there, that would be where you'd put your stop loss, and then there's take profit 1. Let me see, take profit 1, 2, and there is 3. Every single time it gives you take profit 3. So you can either put your take profit there, or you can use a take profit there, or you can use the third take profit, and then you can just trail the market as it goes up and down. Okay, so yeah, those are the rules for the buy entries. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example of how this looks like on a MetaTrader 4 chart, and then we're going to go to the sell entries. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. Let's just recap before I jump to MetaTrader 4. The price must be above the 100 period moving average, and then the buy entry must be reached, and then you should use the recommended stop loss and the take profit levels as given by the system. Okay, so now I'm going to open up MetaTrader 4, and then we are going to get started there. So guys, since we've covered the buy entry rules, let's just look at a few examples really slowly, just so that you guys can understand. Okay, so let's just flip over to MetaTrader 4 and see what it do. Okay, so now this is MetaTrader 4, guys, and I'm going to start on the US 30, and this is an example of a buy signal. Okay, as you can see, the price in this particular region in time it was above this 100 period moving average. Okay, what I mean by that is the price was playing around here, okay, when we started analyzing the market, and it was above this 100 period moving average. And then as you can see right over there, that's where the buy was triggered, okay. And then your take profit 1 is at that level, which was reached. Take profit 2 was reached as well, and take profit 3 was reached as well. So the stop loss, you put it where it says buy stop loss. So as you can see here, where it triggered the price, all right, to buy, it didn't come to the to hit stop loss, but it just went up to hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. So this is your ideal trade. As you can see, if you measure this, you can actually see that, you know, these are quite a number of pips. So then if you had caught these moves, you would have been deep in the money. Okay, let's just have a look at a few other examples. This is the DAX 30, the German 30. This is the German index. As you can see, price in this example as well was above this 100 period moving average. There's a 100 period moving average. The buy entry was triggered there. As you can see over there, it was triggered. Price went up, hit take profit 1, hit take profit 2, retraced a bit, but it did go up and hit take profit 3, as you can see over there. And you know, that's how you trade it. Again, it came again, buy, take profit, the price went up, you know. So you buy above the 100 period moving average, just like that. Okay, now let's look at a final example before we go to the sells. Okay, here's another example, guys. Here's a good example. Here in this region here in the middle here, you can see that the price was indeed above the 100 period moving average, like it says in the guide. Okay, there was the buy entry right there, and then price went up to take profit 1 and 2, as you can see there. Let's just measure it out real quick. Take profit 1, take profit 2, as you can see. And then there's the stop loss there. You put your stop loss where it says buy stop loss if you are buying, and then let's say if you were selling, you'd put your stop loss where it says sell stop loss. Okay, very simple, guys. These rules are very simple. Okay, so the price must be above the 100 period moving average, and then the buy entry must be reached, and you should use the recommended stop loss and take profit, you know, for risk management purposes. So now let's look at a sell trade. The sell trade is the exact same rules, but in the opposite. Okay, so when you're looking for a sell, what you do is the price must be below, underneath the 100 period moving average. The sell level must be reached, and then you can use the stop loss and the take profit level. So let's just have a look at this in a picture form. As you can see, the price here was below the 100 period moving average, as you can see. And then now here's the sell level here. So the sell was actually triggered in this region here, as you can see right over there. And let me just scroll down a bit. As you can see, the sell was hit right over there, and then you put your stop loss above where it says sell stop loss. You put it above there, and then you use your take profit 1, 2, and 3. Okay, very simple rules, guys. Very easy to apply and understand. You know, it's very simple, guys. So let's look at a sell example. This is also a very good example. As you can see over here, the price was below the 100 period moving average. All right, the sell entry was triggered. As you can see, price went down, hit take profit 1. Okay, as you can see, came down, hit take profit 1, retraced the entry, you know, but it still came down to hit take profit 2, as you can see right there. It went down even some more to get take profit 3. Okay, the next day there was an additional trade. The system told you that the price was below the 100 period moving average, and then there was a sell entry. All right, and then as you can see, it dropped. Similar rules, very simple, similar rules, guys. The rules are the same every single time. As you can see, here's another one. Sell entry, take profit 1, 2, and 3 were hit. Let me just measure that real quick. So there was the sell. You see where the sell got triggered. Take profit 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, guys, it's exactly as depicted in the chart here, in the example. So you sell underneath the 100 period moving average, okay, and then when this gets pierced through, when this sell level gets triggered, then you use the take profit 1, 2, and 3. All right, so the rules are very simple. Okay, so I'm sure that by now you see the bigger picture. Now you can see that how easy the system is, and that's really all that you have to do. There's not much complicated that you need to do right here. So let's just have a look at a few examples. Let's look at GBP AUD, the British pound against the Aussie. As you can see now, like we said, you look for the 100 period moving average. If the price is below, and then it triggers the sell entry right there, as you can see the sell entry was triggered, then you'd sell, and then you'd use the recommended stop loss. Let me show you where the stop loss would be. It would be here. It says sell stop loss, you see, so you'd put your stop loss there. And then now you can see the price did drop, retraced a bit, but did come to hit take profit 1, as you can see right there, take profit 2, and then almost hit take profit 3. So then when you're trading, guys, you must always remember to use risk management and trail your profits. Obviously, you don't let your profits go like that, you know, because the market can turn at any time. But anyway, here's another example on gold. Same rules, guys. Sell was triggered below the 100 period moving average. Okay, you can see your sell entry was there, and then it was below the 100 period, and then you see where it says sell stop loss. That's where you put your stop loss, and then that's where you put your take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3 hit. So as you can see, take profit 1, it got hit, take profit 2 got hit, take profit 3 and beyond got hit. So you could have made a lot of bank on that. So as you can see, guys, this is a very simple strategy, guys. It's called the M15 strategy. And then if you're interested in this, make sure that you send me an email or a DM. All right, then we can help set you up, and I can hook you up with this guide, and you can just start implementing this and practicing it on your own, and then you can start developing your trading skills and finding the opportunities similar to the ones that I find. Okay, so that's almost about it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Remember to leave a like. Okay, remember to leave a like and a subscribe to the channel for more live videos. Thank you so much.